What is the work done by or in a isothermal process? In isothermal process, the temperature remains constant, that is delta T is equal to 0. This is also known as quasi-static process. That means it's a very slow process. It's a very slow process. It happens in such a way that the system remains more or less at equilibrium at all phases. We know that work done in the case of a gas dW is given by the expression PdV. So if I integrate this expression between the initial state, which is V1 to V2, I'll get the work done. For ideal gases, PV is equal to nRT. So let us eliminate this P from this. So V is equal to nRT by P. So that implies W total work is equal to integration nRT dV by V from the lower limit V1 to V2. This is equal to nRT into integration dV by V, V1 to V2. nRT into integration of dx by x is ln x logarithm with base e. So this is ln x from V1 to V2. Here V should come. So which is equal to nRT into ln V2 minus ln V1. We are just opening the brackets. Log of A minus B is log of A by B. So this is the final answer. So this is in base E. If I want to convert into base 10, I have to multiply this expression by 2.303. Here the initial state V1 is converting into V2. If V1 is more than V2, it means it is a compression work. If V2 is more than V1, it's a expansion work. Expansion work we consider positive, compression work we consider negative. Thank you.